Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do lattice multiplication of a 2-digit by a 1-digit number, and this does go along with an interactive notebook that I have, and I will put a link to that down below. And these are the problems from the notebook so that you can follow along and do them with me. So today we're doing 29 times 4. We're using the lattice method, and so our first step is that we need to draw the boxes. And it's a 2-digit number, so that means I'm going to make myself a long rectangle, which I can divide into two pieces because of my 2-digit number. And I don't need to divide it on this side because I don't need more rows because I'm only multiplying by a 1-digit number. So I'm going to take my 2-digit number and place it on top of my 2 boxes, 2 and 9 for 29. And I'm going to take my 1-digit number 4 and put it along the row on the right side. Now I'm ready to draw in my lattice. So from the top right to the bottom left corner, I'm going to draw a lattice, and I'm going to leave a tail that hangs off because this tail later is going to be how we divide up our place values in the problem. Now I'm ready to multiply. So I'm going to multiply 9 times 4, and I get 36. And when you have a 2-digit number, you're going to put the tens place to the left and the ones place to the right, just like if you were writing any normal number, only they're divided up into these boxes. And now I'm ready to come over to this square and multiply the 2 that's above it and the 4 that's out to the side. And that gives me 8. Now it's only a 1-digit number and I have 2 boxes. And so I need to make sure that I'm putting my ones place in the bottom. And because I don't have anything in the tens place, I'm going to put a 0 there just to represent that there is no value in that box. Okay. Now, this is where it comes in handy that we've got the diagonals. So we are done multiplying. I'm going to cross out those numbers so we don't use them anymore. And now we're ready to look at what is going to come down into our place value columns to give us our answer. And so in this diagonal, we only have our ones place, and the only thing in the ones place is this 6. So I'm going to just bring down the 6. In this diagonal, though, I have 8 and 3, so I need to add them together, and that gives me 11. Well, because 11 is a 2-digit number, I'm going to have to put my ones place down below, and I'm going to carry the next place over. So that in this diagonal, which is my hundreds place, I now have 0 and 1. So I'm going to add those together, and I get 1. And so my answer to 29 times 4 is right here, 116. Okay, I know that way looks a little bit bizarre, but especially to people that are in my generation that learn the traditional way of multiplication. But the big advantage to this is that if you're struggling with place value, if you're struggling to remember the steps in traditional multiplication, this breaks it down and gives you a really solid structure to be able to multiply within, and it's kind of fun. So join me for the next video, and I'll be showing you how to do a 3-digit by a 1-digit multiplication problem using the lattice method. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.